Hey guys, let's get patriotic. Today in my fourth keyboard tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to play Jana Gana Mana, our national anthem on the keyboard. Wait. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, subscribe it right now for more such videos. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So just for your information, these 7 white keys are a set: C, D, E, F, G, A, P, and these black keys are a set of 5. So all of these are repeated. So this is C sharp. Just above C, this is C sharp. Above D, D sharp. There is no E sharp. Above F, F sharp. Above G, G sharp. And above A, A sharp. Like E, there is no B sharp. So now with this, let's start learning our national anthem. So first I will play it fast and then I will teach you how to play it with the notes slowly. So let's start. First line is Jana Gana Mana adhinayak jaya. So the notes are C sharp, D sharp, F F F F F F F F F F F, D sharp, F F sharp. So here the F is total 11 times. Let's see this once more. C sharp, D sharp, F F F F F F F F F F F, 11 times, D sharp, F F sharp. Next line is bharat, bhagya, vidhata, F F F, D sharp, D sharp, D sharp, C, D sharp, C sharp. So here F is 3 times. F, F, F. D sharp is also 3 times. C sharp, D sharp, C sharp. Next line. Punjab, Sindh, Gujarat, Maratha. So C sharp, G 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 sharp. So G sharp is total 9 times. Then G, A sharp, G sharp. Let's look at it once more. C sharp, G sharp 9 times. G, A sharp, G sharp. Next line. Dravid, utkal, banga, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, F, 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 D, F sharp, F. So here F sharp is total 3 times. F is also 3 times. D sharp, F sharp, F. Next line. Vindhya, himachal, yamuna, ganga, FFFFFF 5 times. F is 5 times, D sharp once, G sharp is thrice, and F sharp is twice. So our next line is ucchal jaladhit taranga. F F F, D sharp D sharp D sharp D sharp, C D sharp C sharp. So let's look at it. F is total 3 times, D sharp is 4 times, C is once, then D sharp, and then C sharp. Next line is tava shubh mage jage. C sharp, D sharp, F F F F, D sharp, F F sharp. So the notes are C sharp once, D sharp, F F F F. So F is 4 times, D sharp, F F sharp. So the next line is tava shubh ashish mage. So the notes are F F sharp, G sharp, G sharp, G sharp, G sharp, G sharp, D sharp, F sharp, F. So F once, then F sharp once, G sharp is total 5 times, then D sharp, then F sharp, then F. Then the next line is gahe tava jaya gata. So the next line is tava shubh ashish mage. So the notes are F F sharp, G sharp, G sharp, G sharp, G sharp, G sharp, D sharp, F sharp, F. So F once, then F sharp once, G sharp is total 5 times, then D sharp, then F sharp, then F. Then the next line is gahe tava jaya gata. So the notes are F F, D sharp, D sharp, D sharp, D sharp, C, D sharp, C sharp. So F is 2 times, D sharp is 4 times, C is 1, then D sharp once, and then C sharp once. D sharp is total 9 times, then G, A sharp, G sharp. Let's look at it once more. So G sharp is 9 times, G, A sharp, G sharp, bharat, bhagya, vidhata, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, F, 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 D sharp, F sharp, F. So F sharp is 3 times, F is also 3 times, D sharp, F sharp, F. So we come to our last 2 lines, which is jaya he, jaya he, jaya he. So it's C 2 times and C sharp once, C, C, C sharp, C, A sharp, C, A sharp, G sharp, A. Last line is jaya, 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 jaya he. C sharp, C sharp, D sharp, D sharp, F, F, D sharp, F, F sharp. So C sharp twice, D sharp twice, F twice, D sharp once, F sharp once. That's all for today. If you've enjoyed watching this video, do give it a big thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family. Do comment down which should be the next song I play. We'll meet in the next video. Jai Hind.